Email marketing, the key. In today's saturated digital landscape, capturing and retaining audience attention is paramount for marketing success. Discover how email marketing can be your most potent tool for precision engagement and superior returns. Email marketing's edge. While social media offers broad reach, email marketing provides a direct personal channel to your audience. It fosters deeper connections, delivering tailored messages that resonate more effectively than general broadcasts. This direct line is crucial for building lasting customer relationships. Targeted marketing. Effective marketing hinges on understanding your audience. By segmenting your email lists based on interests and behaviors, you can deliver highly relevant content. This intelligent approach ensures every communication speaks directly to individual needs, maximizing impact and minimizing waste. Hyper-personalization transforms generic messages into bespoke experiences. Leveraging dynamic content and product recommendations makes each email feel uniquely crafted for the recipient. This level of customization significantly boosts engagement and conversion rates. Exceptional ROI. Email marketing consistently delivers exceptional returns on investment. With an average ROI of 400%, it outperforms many other digital channels. This efficiency means more conversions and a clearer path to achieving your marketing objectives with optimized resource allocation. Empower your marketing strategy by embracing the unparalleled potential of email. Own your customer data, build trust through personalized communication, and drive measurable results. Start now to win your niche and elevate your brand's influence. With Mailer Rocket, you can easily streamline your email campaigns, leverage advanced segmentation, and analyze real-time performance to optimize your ROI. Transform your email marketing into a powerful tool for growth and success. Start now, win your niche with email marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell for more.